Here we have the chest supported row. A couple different moving parts on this machine. Number one being the grips, so you can bring it in closer together depending on what your focus is for the row that you're doing. You can bring it out to the side for a wider grip, or just dependent on your build and your body structure. Always make sure you hear that pin before you're ready to go, especially with the foot plate. Okay, so this is also adjustable for your height. To change this, have your hand on the foot plate, slightly lifting up, pull up on the pin, and then together, pulling up on the machine, and then also pushing up into the plate to lift it up. Make sure you rest it down until you hear the click. Maybe even give it a test with your foot before you go. For most people, go ahead and start off with the grip in the center. There's 7 adjustable holes here for the grip. Go ahead and start off in the middle. And the good part about these grips is that they can twist and move to the side. So it's not just a fixed overhand, although you can choose to do that intentionally. You can keep an underhand, you can go to the side, or you can rotate as you row. Once you have your handle set, go ahead and check if it's the right height for you. So for this, the foot pad might be a little bit low for me. I'm gonna go ahead and try it out. So to pull the weight out, make sure you have a good stance with your feet. I'm gonna use my arms to pull the weight out and let it rest down in the middle. Keep my head neutral. You don't wanna extend back too far or look down too much. And then I'm going to drive up and back with my elbows, controlling the weight down, driving with the elbows. Avoid turning this into a curl. This is all forearms and biceps, which isn't bad, but it's not the intention of this exercise. We're trying to hit your lats, rhomboids, lower, middle traps here. So I'm driving with my elbows, squeezing at the top, controlling it back down. To rack the weight back up, lift it up, pull it over to the side. Or if it's too heavy, to pull it back up, set it on the lower setting, okay? Or if you just have really long arms and that works better for you, go ahead and use that option.